What's up, guys? It is 12:51 in the morning. Takeover is over, and I am going to give you a recap of this event in this video, but that's it. I've Chris and I have had so much fun. Miles had so much fun. All of us had so much fun. I can tell you that we are going to be loading our car up tomorrow morning under its own power with no brakes, no nothing. And that's the good news. The bad news is I've been enjoying myself, and I have not had any time to edit. We wake up, we go out, we grind, we just have a great freaking time. Takeover, such an amazing event, guys. It really is. It's so well put together. So many good things have came out of this event. It's just been a great time. And I feel bad for not pushing out a video on Friday or Sunday, but at the end of the day, sometimes we have to take a break and just enjoy ourselves and have fun. And that's what we did. So I'm just going to upload this video really quick that I'm recording now and just say that we have ridiculous amounts of footage, and we had so much fun, and we met new people, and we met subscribers that were so happy to meet us. And Miles, he had the best time of his life, and Krista had a great time, and all of our friends did, and we took home some trophies, which is awesome. I just want to tell you guys that when you're watching this on Sunday, I know this won't be a long video, but just a few minutes, but I had to go and search myself and say, you know what, we gotta start pushing out the positive messages again, and made some new friends, but also had a chance and opportunity to find forgiveness for other bad situations. And it's just been an overall great experience. Coos Bay is such an amazing event, and Takeover, they do such a good job, guys. They really do work really hard. So here's what the video is really about, though. So much footage. We have at least 6 to 8 videos that will come out of UTV Takeover. Chris and I are going to leave in the morning. We're all packed up. We're ready to go. Just got to load the car on the trailer pretty much, and we'll be out of here. And we're going to go somewhere pretty for the night at least. And I'm going to start working hard on editing these videos. So on Monday, you're going to see a new video. We're going back to our Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday schedule. My friend Josh that I built the green machine for, he just dropped his wife's car off, had it shipped to our shop, and we're going to supercharge it. And we got 4th of July coming up, so we have a lot of just really, really, really cool things. But everybody that we got the opportunity to meet this weekend at Coos Bay, I just wanted to say thank you on behalf of me, Miles, and Krista. And I'm so excited to share these videos. So you'll see them over the next week and a half, 2 weeks or whatever. You're going to see a lot of fun times. And we're just so excited to share them with y'all. And we're so grateful that Takeover lets us be a part of this. So we appreciate you guys. We love you guys so much. Sorry there's, a missed video here on Friday and Sunday. This is really just me filling in to update you guys. But we have a lot of cool things, a lot of cool content coming up. And you guys are going to have a blast watching it. So tune in tomorrow, 6 in the morning. And we'll see you there. All right. Love you guys. Have a great morning, day, night, whatever it is, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.